Are you wondering what is the best way to use decomposed granite in the landscape? Well, we're going to answer that question right here, right now. Hi, everybody. My name is Oscar. I am a landscape engineer who has consulted over 427 homeowners with their landscape projects. Let's jump right into it. Boom, there you go. These are the top 4 ways I recommend using decomposed granite in the landscape. Number 1, as a front yard lawn replacement. Again, as a front yard, not backyard. We'll get into that later. Number 2, in the garden bed area. Number 3, as a patio or seating area. And last and very least, as a walkway. Now, don't go away just yet. I'm going to go into detail about each of these 4 uses of decomposed granite in the landscape so you can make a better, smarter decision when it comes to your project. My number 1 recommendation on how to use it is as a front yard lawn replacement. Why? It's because a front yard has the lowest foot traffic possible. As you can see in this home right here, the door is on the left-hand side. They do not get out of their car onto the front yard and walk into their house. So using DG in low foot traffic areas is important because DG gets really, really messy. If you put it near an entrance of your home or you're walking through it every single day, you're more liable to drag that gritty, rocky DG into your home, which you definitely do not want. As you can see in this photo, you can also create great curb appeal for your front yard with a combination of plants and decomposed granite. You'll create a drought-tolerant landscape that'll help you save water. Number 2 way I recommend using DG in the landscape is in the garden bed area. Why? Because it lends itself to that natural, earthy aesthetic that a food garden is. Look at this picture right here. There's the food in the garden beds. That DG just makes it feel earthy, natural, and very inviting. If you've already gotten value out of this video, please like, subscribe. Again, my channel is dedicated to helping you, the homeowner, make better, smarter decisions when it comes to your landscape. Number 3, I would use DG as a patio or seating area with 2 caveats. Number 1 being you are on a tight budget. Number 2, you need a solid foundation for your patio furniture or seating arrangement. Again, DG can get messy, so just be aware when you are building your seating or patio area to take that into account. As you can see in this household right here, we use DG to extend the patio, give the client more room for when he hosts big events and whatnot. So again, using DG as a patio seating area is a good idea if you want a solid foundation to put patio furniture on and if you are on a budget. Last and very least, I personally don't like using DG as a walkway, but it does do its job. As you can see in this photo right here, we did put flagstone into the DG to create some more interest with the landscape. Again, I would not use DG as a walkway if it is leading directly into a home because you do not want to be dragging in that rocky DG when it's broken up into your home. As a recap, my number 1 way to use DG in the landscape is as a front yard lawn replacement in a low foot traffic area. Creates curb appeal and a drought tolerant landscape that'll help save water. Number 2, in the garden bed area to enhance that natural feeling of a food garden. Number 3, as a patio seating area if you are on a budget and want something solid like concrete to put patio furniture on. And number 4, as a walkway. Don't have too much to say about that. Again, DG, great landscape material if you are on a budget and it's away from the house. What questions do you have about decomposed granite? Comment below. Would love to answer your questions in some videos down the line. Again, thank you so much. Subscribe to this channel. I am dedicated to empowering you, the homeowner, to make better, smarter decisions when it comes to your landscape. Thanks again. Oh, don't leave just yet. If you live in Orange County, feel free to contact me for a consultation. Thanks.